Hello, everybody. This is NASCAR33 here, and these are the signs for Nathan Stapleton's one of Nathan Stapleton's Indianapolis races. This is the Truck Series version, so it's gonna it's definitely gonna be an interesting one as we have 47 trucks to choose from, and only I forgot what the actual number is. I'll have to I'm gonna take a look at this I think it's gonna be, let's see, 20. So only 24 can make it into the main event. So the first 24 trucks that are picked are going to. That's all. Well, pretty much. So however, I did hit sign up for one of them. So just signing up in advance. So we got the 15, the 17, the 18, the 2, the 4, the 51. I took the 5. Um, uh, and then you got the 71, the 11, the 23, the 28, 33, the 37, the 40, the 44, the 46, the 47, the 53, the 89, the 91, the 8, the 07, the 08, the 09, the 10, the 13, the 14, 16, 20, 29. You got 30, 31, 30, 42, 54, 59, 60, 66, 73, 74, 7, 88, 99, and 03. So those are all so those are actually there is actually the 22, there's the 0, the 21, and the 63. So that's all the trucks that are available for this series. So yeah, that's it. So we'll see you guys there. Doodles.